The modern fishing world offers an array of innovative gear and gadgets that enhance our time on the water, making the pursuit of fish more efficient and enjoyable. We've picked the top must-have fishing gadgets and gear for you that are available on Amazon. All the mentioned fishing gadgets links are in the description below. Number 20. Lighted bobbers. Fishing at night or in dim light can be tough when you can't see your line, but LED light-up bobbers make it much easier. These bright, water-resistant bobbers float well and let you see where your bait is, even in the dark. They're great for catching fish like walleye and crappie that bite in low light. The built-in lithium battery lasts a long time and shines brighter than glow sticks. You can also use them without the battery during the day, thanks to their bright colors. Just twist the spring to set how deep you want to fish and add weight based on the water. These bobbers are lighter and more sensitive than regular ones, so they move easily when a fish bites, helping you catch more. Number 19. Deeper Smart Fish Finder. Find your next catch with ease using the Deeper Start Fish Finder. This lightweight wireless device is perfect for shore fishing and family outings with no messy wires or external batteries to worry about. It's super easy to use. Just pair it with the Fish Deeper app on your phone and start seeing real-time info like fish location, size, depth, bottom shape, and vegetation. It works with both iOS and Android and even saves your scans with time and location, so you can return to the best spots later. The built-in Wi-Fi means it won't use up your mobile data. With a casting range and depth of up to 165 feet and a 40-degree sonar beam, it gives you accurate results every time. The battery charges in just 2.5 hours and lasts up to 6 hours, giving you plenty of time to enjoy your fishing trip. There's even a night fishing mode for late adventures. Number 18. Predator 54. Catch yourself a real family fishing experience with the Predator kontiki system. Designed by creators from New Zealand, a country known for its rich fishing history, having exported $1.3 billion worth of fish and seafood back in 2006. This smart fishing device is built to handle rough seas and strong currents, staying on course without drifting off. It has a long range of up to 2,300 meters from the shore and is simple to use, even for those who aren't very tech savvy. For example, setting the direction with the easy point and go system takes just seconds. If the battery runs low while it's out in the water, it will automatically return to shore. Weighing only around 12 kilograms with batteries, or as little as 7.5 kilograms without, it's light enough for one person to carry. Its special shape helps it move smoothly through waves instead of bouncing over them, which helps keep it steady. Number 17. Fishing Line Winder. Tired of dealing with tangled lines while spooling your reel? This fishing line winder makes the job quick and hassle-free. This easy-to-use tool helps you spool your reel smoothly with no twists or knots. So if you're using spinning, bait casting, or spin cast reels, it gives an even line every time, so you're always ready to fish. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to set up and take off. The adjustable spool width and spring-loaded tension keep the line tight and steady. With a suction cup base, it sticks firmly to smooth surfaces, especially glass with a bit of water. It saves you both time and effort, with some users spooling up to 3 reels in under 5 minutes. Many call it the best tool they've ever used for spooling lines. Number 16. TactiBite Fish Call. The TactiBite Fish Call is a smart little device that helps attract fish without using any bait. Just toss it into the water and it does the rest. It vibrates and makes sounds that draw fish in. It works because fish have a special organ called the lateral line, which helps them detect vibrations. They also hear really well, which is why staying quiet is so important when fishing. This gadget uses those senses to its advantage and works in both fresh and salt water. During testing, it attracted a variety of fish species, proving it's hard for fish to ignore. It's a simple way to boost your chances of getting a bite. Number 15. Umbrella Hat. Fishing in the sun or rain can be uncomfortable, but the umbrella hat keeps you protected while keeping your hands free. This lightweight adjustable hat gives full coverage from both sun and rain, so you can fish comfortably without worrying about the weather. It's perfect for anglers who want shade without the hassle of holding an umbrella. Easy to use, just pull the rope to open it and press the button to close. It folds down small, and when you're ready to use it again, simply pull the tab through the top until it locks in place. Number 14. Fishing drone. If you're an angler looking to expand your reach and land bigger catches, this fishing drone is a perfect gadget. It can carry up to 5 pounds of bait and fly out 1.3 kilometers, allowing you to use heavier baits to attract bigger fish and drop bait far beyond what's possible from shore or kayak. It is waterproof and designed to float if it crashes. It gives you peace of mind on the water. With a simple button press, the drone automatically returns to you. No stress. While it doesn't have a camera right now, its strong bait capacity and reliable range make it an essential tool for serious fishing trips. This drone doesn't just make fishing easier, it opens up new possibilities to catch the big one. Number 13. Bait thrower. You upgrade your fishing experience with the bait thrower, an easy-to-use tool that helps you cast bait farther and more accurately, making it easier to reach those hard-to-access spots. It's lightweight, beginner-friendly, and great for seasoned anglers too. Say goodbye to uneven bait spreading and enjoy more successful fishing trips. The container is tightly sealed, so no bait spills out until it hits the water and opens. Once in the water, it releases the bait instantly. You can load all your bait directly into it, and it works well even for long distance throws. Just be sure to use the type with proper openings to prevent bait from escaping too early. Number 12. Collapsible wagon cart. Make your fishing trips easier with the Fillet electric utility wagon, a reliable all-terrain cart built to handle your gear. With a strong 300 pounds load capacity and an extra 130 pounds supported by its upgraded tailgate design, it's perfect for carrying rods, tackle boxes, coolers, and more without the hassle of multiple trips. Its collapsible frame and spacious 200-liter interior make setup fast and storage simple, folding down to a compact size for your garage or car trunk. Built with durable, waterproof fabric and 8-inch wheels with shock absorption, it glides smoothly over grass, gravel, sand, mud, and more. If you're heading to the lake or beach, this wagon keeps up. Powered by the Fillet U20 super battery, it features a powerful motor and adjustable speed, so you can move your gear effortlessly, even on rough terrain. Number 11. Cut Safe Fillet gloves. Stay safe and in control with these high-protection fishing gloves, an essential for any angler who handles sharp knives and slippery fish. Made from tough HPPE and metal wire knit, they offer ANSI level 6 cut resistance for full 360-degree protection. The rubber-coated palms and fingers provide a strong, non-slip grip, making it easier to fillet fish and manage tools with precision. After a long day, cleanup is quick thanks to the glove's rubber texture and fast-drying synthetic materials. Designed for comfort, they feature a snug elastic fit and extended ribbed cuffs to keep them secure during long use. These gloves offer the safety, grip, and comfort every fisherman needs. Number 10. Fishing rod holders. Keep your fishing gear neat and ready with this high-quality fishing rod organizer, perfect for any serious angler. This rack helps save space while keeping your rod secure and easily accessible. It holds up to 12 rods with storage holes in 2 sizes, 1.3 inches and 1.5 inches, making it compatible with different rod types like casting, spinning, trolling, saltwater, and spin cast, plus even nets. The 360-degree rotating base lets you grab your rod from any angle with ease, and the unique 4-wood connection design adds extra stability so it won't tip over. Built from durable natural solid wood with a smooth finish, this rack is not only sturdy but also built to last. Generous spacing between each slot protects your rods from bumping into each other, making it ideal for rods with larger reels. A must-have for keeping your fishing gear organized, protected, and always within reach. Number 9. Underwater fishing camera. Featuring a vibrant 7-inch display and a high-definition 1000 TVL lens, it delivers crystal clear visuals of fish and underwater structures in real time. Whether you're a seasoned angler or just starting out, setup is effortless. Simply plug it in and start exploring. Built for long days on the water, it offers 8 to 10 hours of continuous battery life, perfect for sunrise to sunset fishing trips. Thanks to 12 infrared LED lights, you'll enjoy excellent visibility even in low light conditions, making it ideal for early morning or nighttime ice fishing. The adjustable viewing angles, ranging from 90 degrees to 180 degrees, allow you to scan wide underwater areas, giving you a fuller picture of your environment. And with top-grade IP68 waterproofing, this camera is rugged enough to withstand the harshest conditions, giving you confidence every time you drop it below the surface. Number 8. Fishing rod clip. Do you struggle to hold your fishing rod while tying a knot, baiting a hook, or just taking a quick break? The wearable fishing rod holder is the perfect hands-free solution. It clips easily onto your waist, belt, jacket, vest, or waders, keeping your rod secure while you focus on other tasks. Lightweight and compact, it's designed to stay out of your way until you need it. With 2 different notch sizes, it fits a variety of rod types and holds them firmly in place, reducing hand and arm strain. Built from tough marine-grade aluminum, it's durable and easy to use. Just clip in and go. No more awkward balancing acts or risking your rod falling into the water. Just smooth, hassle-free fishing. Number 7. Microfiber fishing towels. Keep your hands and gear clean with the microfiber fishing towels, designed to wipe away dirt, bait residue, and fish slime with ease. These highly absorbent towels are a must-have for any angler. With a quick-drying, lightweight design, they clip onto your belt or tackle box, making them convenient for on-the-go cleaning. Sized at 16 inches by 16 inches, they're perfect for carrying in your back pocket or clipping to your belt loop, so they're always within reach when you need to clean your hands after handling bait or filleting a fish. Made from high-quality waffle pattern microfiber, these towels are quick-drying, lightweight, stain-resistant, and super absorbent, helping to prevent odors. They can also be used for other activities like camping, hiking, or at the gym to keep your hands dry and clean. Number 6. Rippton CatchX. For fishermen who desire accuracy and convenience on the water, this bait boat is a clever, portable option. It is durable enough to withstand fishing conditions and can hold up to 1.5 kilograms of bait despite its lightweight design. To avoid frightening the fish away, it moves quietly thanks to its incredibly quiet motor. You can precisely guide it up to 400 meters with the remote and 250 meters via the app thanks to its integrated GPS and app control. Additionally, it has a fail-safe return mechanism that will automatically return it if the battery runs low or the connection fails. It's simple to use. You just swipe, tap, and fish. This small bait boat performs well if you're setting up the ideal bait drop or aiming for difficult to reach areas. Number 5. Smartphone mount fishing rod. Never worry about losing your phone while fishing with this smart fishing rod phone mount. It securely attaches your phone to the grip of your rod, keeping it in place even during rough conditions. So if you're checking your deeper sonar or using fishing apps, your screen stays clearly visible while your hands stay free to fish. Easy to set up and built to last, this mount is a handy tool for any angler. It holds your phone firmly without covering the screen, so you can focus on your catch, not on fumbling with your device or risking it falling into the water. A simple, reliable way to keep your phone safe and close by while you fish. Number 4. Fishing chair with rod holder. Why bring just a chair when you can have one that does so much more? This fishing chair comes with a built-in rod holder and a cooler, making your fishing trips more comfortable and organized. It's made for anglers who want to sit back, relax, and enjoy the day without constantly holding their rod. The cooler keeps your drinks and snacks cold, and there's a handy side window so you can grab things quickly without letting the cold out. The rod holder is adjustable, so you can angle your rod just how you like without moving the chair. Plus, there's plenty of storage space for all your tools, tackle boxes, and even your drinks or phone. Number 3. Garmin Striker. Never second guess where the fish are hiding with the Garmin Striker Fish Finder. This device uses advanced sonar technology to scan beneath the water's surface, giving you a clear, crisp display of what's below. With built-in GPS, you can easily mark your favorite fishing spots and navigate with confidence, no matter you're fishing in lakes or open waters. The 4-inch color display features vivid scanning sonar color palettes, making it simple to distinguish between fish and underwater structures. It comes with a GT20 transducer for both Garmin Chirp traditional sonar and Chirp Clearview scanning sonar, plus a high-sensitivity GPS to mark waypoints, create routes, and even track your boat's speed. The built-in quick draw contours mapping feature lets you create your own custom maps, making this a game changer for any serious angler. Number 2. Engel Bait Cooler. Keep your bait fresh and lively with this insulated bait bucket that comes with a built-in aerator. It pumps oxygen into the water to keep minnows and shrimp active for hours, even days, making it perfect for freshwater, saltwater, and ice fishing. No need to worry about leaks either. The bucket is 100% leak-proof thanks to a tight sealing gasket, so your truck, boat, or kayak stays dry. Customers love how well the top seals and how it holds up even after long fishing trips. Built tough with a hard shell shell body, stainless steel latches, and heavy-duty hinges. It's made to last. It's also compact and fits perfectly on beach fishing carts, making it super convenient. Need bait in a hurry? The pull-up net makes it easy to grab what you need, and the shoulder strap makes carrying it a breeze. A great tool that many anglers say is well worth the money. Number 1. Fishing Accessories Organizer. Improve your fishing adventures with this ingenious all-in-one boat accessories organizer. This multi-purpose device ensures a clean and effective fishing experience by keeping all of your equipment organized and within easy reach. The leveling shelf is compatible with John boats, sea toppers, and other boats because it is easy to install and fits most gunnel styles up to 2.5 inches. For best comfort, place the rod and tool holder arms on either side. The organizer's top shelf offers the perfect space for your cell phone and beverages, while the 3-layered racks provide dedicated hooks and lure holders on each side. Having easy access to your most important fishing equipment reduces clutter and increases efficiency on the water. So by this, we are the end of our list. I hope you liked the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps us to grow. Thank you for watching.